So, welcome back to ERP Tuesday, where we discuss everything around Microsoft Dynamics ERP. So, on our last episode, we introduced the topic of project team and we looked at who are the participants in your project team. Who are those people that must be on your project team, and what are some of the things you must consider when putting together a project team. This is a three-part series that seeks to look at the composition of a project team. Today, we are happy to look at the vendors project team. These are exciting times and you don't want to miss any of these sessions. So stick and stay. I'll be right back.
Hello, welcome back to my channel ERP Tuesday with Lady Ruth Ali. More short tips and how-to videos situated within your favorite Microsoft Dynamics ERP. Stick and stay.
We all know that building a project team for an ERP implementation can be very difficult and challenging. However, this is very crucial to the success of the project. So I have identified about 7 or 8 main roles that must be part of your vendor's ERP implementation team. We have the project manager, the solution architect, the business analyst. I'm looking at the functional team, the technical team, a migration team, a team of testers or quality assurance, and in some cases, integration team. And let's look at their responsibilities. The project manager. The project manager is responsible for the overall management of the project. They are responsible for creating the plan, managing the budget, and ensuring that the project is completed on time and within scope. I hope you got that. So the project manager is interested in creating the plan, managing the budget, and ensuring that we complete the project on time and within scope. Then we have the business analyst. The business analyst is responsible for understanding the requirements of the business and then mapping those requirements to the capabilities of the ERP system. And so the business analyst generally works closely with the end users or the clients to gather their requirements. And then he or she translates it into a document that the functional team and developers can use. The functional team is responsible for the functional aspect of the ERP system. So they know the what's and how and all that about the system. So it can be an accounts payable functionality, general ledger functionality, accounts receivable functionality, fixed asset, inventory, HR, payroll, so these are the functional experts. I call them the subject matter experts. Yes, because they know how the system works in respect of those functionalities. The technical team. The technical team handles technical aspects of the implementation. Also known as the development team, they design and build the system according to specification. The quality assurance team, I call them the testers, are responsible for testing the system and making sure that the system meets the requirements of the client and it is free from defects or bugs. The solution architect designs the overall architecture of the ERP system, and this design is based on customer requirements and business processes. They also usually oversee customization efforts and they ensure technical feasibility of the implementation. The integration team, who have the knowledge, the expertise in integration, would come on board to see how best they can seamlessly integrate 2 or more systems with the ERP. The last role, or the final role I would like to talk about, is the account manager. The account manager doesn't directly work on the ERP implementation project, but then the account manager seeks to play a very important role in serving as a point of contact between the vendor and the executive management of the client. So the account manager manages the overall relationship, gathers feedback, and addresses any issues of concern to ensure customer satisfaction. One person may perform one or more roles on the project team. So depending on the size of the ERP project, the complexity of it, you may have individuals playing more than one role, and that is just fine. Feel free to mention in the comments any role I missed out. I would be happy to learn from you as well. So let's have a chat going on, a discussion going on, and let's know what your implementation, your current ERP implementation is looking like at your end. Our next session would be putting together the team from the client perspective. Um, Subscribe, share the link with a friend. Till I come your way again, remember that a strong ERP team is essential for success. Cheers. It's ERP Tuesday with Lady Ruth Ali. See you.